Okay, this is the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh, the American Standard um, die and tab, or tab and die set, 40 pieces. It cuts and renews external and internal threads to exacting standards. It's heat treated and hardened. These are the thread size 4-40, 6-32, blah blah blah, quarter inch to 28, 3/8 inch 16, 3/8 inches 24, 14, 7/16. So this is the one I need to use, which is 3/8 of an inch um, oh to 24. There is also a half an inch 20 here. Um, and it includes 17 tabs, 17 dies, adjustable tab wrench, T-handle tab, adjustable die wrench, screwdrivers, screw pitch gauge and case, and lifetime warranty. So it's pretty good. So this is called T-handle tab, and the adjustable tab wrench, adjustable die wrench. So let me show you. This is the adjustable die wrench. And when I bought it, after the first use, this set screw actually broke. Oh, I need what do you call that? Flat screwdriver to take this screw out. So it came with a smaller one, smaller screw, and I tried to cut the stainless steel threads the stainless steel, and then I put the die in, which is, you can see it's NF24, and then over here says 3/8. So this die is 3/8 of an inch. So this is the adjustable die wrench handle, and this is the tab handle. So when this screw strip the threads, what you need to do, it's very easy. You don't have to return this. You didn't break it. Well, you broke the tool, but you can still easily fix it. So what I did was I take this tab, and there's these square edge inserted into here, and just turn this to lock the handle, and then I just poke it into this hole to rethread this hole. Once I rethread this hole, I just find another bigger screw like this one, and I just use the flat screwdriver to screw it in, and I was able to resurrect this tool. So, and that's all there is. You know, it's pretty good. So if you break the set screw, you don't have to return this tool. It's still a very good tool. You just have to rethread it with the tabs you have in your toolbox, and then you can fix this. And then have a even better tool from the Harbor Freight. So there you have it. There's my tip. If you break the tool, the die and set tab tool, that's all you have to do. No biggie. So I'm gonna put that away. There's my Harbor Freight die and tab, or tab and die set. It's actually a very good tool. Help me cut the thread I need on my steel cable.